the next video. So this is the part 2 of learning Redis. So we will be exploring few more commands for our Redis database. So the first command is set color. Wait, I'll show you this one, set color red. So firstly we have seen how to set color, like how to set key value data. So set color is the key, red is the value. I will implement it and it says okay. Now what I will do is I will set as well as do get in the same step. So if I go over here and if I run this, so the output of this will still be red because we have set red over here. So if I implement it, so here you can see it still says red, but if I do get color again, now it will be green. Okay, so hope you're getting my point. So now it will be green. Next, so here we have not created this key called esdf, and we are setting some value called hi there, and also we are passing this xx inside our function. So here it says that xx it runs when a key already exists. So you will be able to set a value to a key when that key has already been created, but in our case so if I paste it over here, asdf has not been created yet. I will use asdf 123. Okay, so this has not been created yet, and if I run this, here you can see I get nil because I have never created this key. Next, I already have a key called color. So if I pass set color yellow xx, then it will override the existing key of color and set it to yellow. Okay, and now if I do get color and run this, it says yellow. Next I will run set color blue nx. Okay, and here as you can see this key already exists, so nothing will change. So if I run this, here you will get nil, and if I run get color again, it won't be blue, it will still be yellow. But if I run this if I run this nx command on a key which is not already present, then it will set something to that particular key. So I will just use 123 because I have already used asdf. So I will use asdf 123 and hi nx. Then here you can see it's able to set the value. Now if I do get asdf 123, it will be able to fetch that particular value. Okay, this is done as well. Next I will you can also set expiration to your set command. So here you can see set color red and expire after 5 seconds. So if I run this command and if I immediately type get color and run it, here you are able to see that particular command, particular value. But if I wait for almost, like, I think 5 seconds are over now, and if I try to run this command again, here you can see you are getting nil. Okay, we have done with this. Next, you can also use set x color to of red. Like this does the similar thing, sets an expiration of 5 seconds for your color key. So suppose if I run something like this, now if I immediately do get color, you can see I'm getting red. It's better to use S capital. But now if I wait for almost 5 seconds, I hope 5 seconds are over, and if I run get color now, you can see I'm getting nil. So you can use it in either ways. Next, there is an mset to set colors, to set key value pairs, like multiple key value pairs. So here you can see that I'm doing mset color key of value red, and then model is another key of value Toyota. So here you can see it has done okay. Now if you want to get particular color, you can do that. So if you do that, here you can see you can get you are getting red. Now if you want to just get the model, you can just do get model, and here you will get Toyota. But if you want to get the multiple keys, you can just do mget as well. So here you can see I'm able to get red as well as Toyota. Next, I can, okay, so here you can see that I already have a value for color, and if I want to delete a key, I can just use del color. So delete color, and if I try to, so it has deleted our color. Now if I try to do get color again, you can see it is get saying null, and but the model key is still. So if I try to do model, here you can see I'm still getting Toyota. Next I will do a get range. So what it does is that it will get all the characters. So our model key contains a value called Toyota, so it will get characters from 0 to 2 including 2. So it will give you something like toy, so which you can see over here. Next you can set some replace your existing characters as well. So I want to replace everything inside my model key from index 2 with blue, so it will, I think, might call something like 2 blue. Okay, instead of Toyota it will call 2 blue. So if I done this, now if I do get model again, here you can see it is saying 2 blue. Next you can use integer variables as well, but I think internally they are stored as string. So here I am setting age as 20. Now you can increment age if you want to, so it will just increment by 1. Here you can see it is saying 21. Now if I want, I can decrement age as well, and if you want to increase it by particular by a particular amount, so you can use increment by, and you can also use increment by float if you want to pass any particular. There is no decrement by float, so if you want to subtract, you can just add a minus sign to at the start of your number, and here you can see. And now if I do get age, so our age is 28. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.